My husband relative, they come greet us today. As she carry for come, me say, Benny, I want hot jollof rice and pepper turkey. If you not cook am for me, carry your bag the next day, go back to your house. If now you waiting, you go do. You not go run, enter the next available market, go buy waiting not they house. Now so I carry my 2 cockroach leg run, come on for inside house, so go catch my flight, make you not go miss. Now my flight don't arrive. Oh boy, now first time why they see people, they join me for inside this flight. Before now only me the flight, go just carry, go knock for inside market. Now don't they for market, make I enter inside market. Around what, 1 p.m, I see say talking not there for the whole market. That's why they carry myself, they go the next store. I reach there now, they say it day. Now maybe this I don't reach house, I don't they do the arranging and arrangeable. Carry all the various things, put for where they belong. I no fish shot. Oh boy, make I use my last strength, say boil these tomatoes for ground, make the cooking for days the next day. This one at the turkey and turkey, but I don't chook knife, put me everything for penetrate inside. Make I cook can, this one at 2 a.m. so when I wake up, one cook can down, make everything for chocolate inside. This one at ginger, garlic and onions. When I want blend, pour on top the turkey hair. This one at small beef, as I want make the jollof rice, bring small flavor of beefy and beefable. This one all the original I want to cook the cooking and cookable. Anyway, now I don't turn it and turnable finish, make I let them cooking and cookable. This one at the next morning, as I look my left, see say oga I thought say wake me on time, as I not sleep on time, so man for quick wake up. He don't they do hing for there. Oh, but I not get choice than to leave him for there. Carry myself, go wash my face before I enter the kitchen and kitchen. Freshen up with my CeraVe cleanser when they make the face soft like small picking yash. No vex. Now waiting they make women they take for inside belly before they come out before the men. Now baby girl don't fresh up finish, don't clean the face finish, don't they look pockish and pockish. Hello to all the UK babes. Now not tell me say now so the sun they hit ground anytime when the verse come out. I for carry fan come from Africa. The sun is touching and touching your armpit, making you to sweat and sweatable. Now, don't shake my turkey, make I shake and wear me everything for zolo inside. Carry my word. My special pot where I tell they cook jollof rice. If I want cook anything when they bonbon under ogbono or jollof rice, remember say if your ogbono not twito for all that will not be ishan bolo. If you want to know what to be twito, because ask ishan people, they go explain it for you. Carry my chucky bowl and my word, my knife, come out, clean her first. Come carry all the orishi, come out that one on my rice. Carry and come out so that everything go there soft and softable and easy for me to work, to cook and cookable. That one on my maggi now slice the onions where I want you to do the fry and fryable. This one are the rice where they measure and measurable. Don't measure and finish, even empty everywhere. Carry the wall, the refill, come and use and refill and fillable. This one are the turkey when already soak all the ingredients overnight. They cry for help, say madam, can't come out me for here, so my body don't they pepper me. I got pour here for pot where I want you to stay frying the fry and fryable. Now I put small salt, pour the onions, put for inside. Now I can put more another separate pot. This one are the spirit lead. If you fry them together, but this one today, so my spirit just tell me say do and me to two. After some minutes, we know they calculate minute. And mind and I will tell no say you don't do. I know if you go they give you 3 minutes, 4 minutes for here. My sister, if you see say the thing don't they get ho inside, you know say you don't dry. Or you don't fit and go up. Now pour the orish you put inside. Come turn her. You need to turn her very well. And if you leave everything for camera, make it not go too long for now I can go carry all the ingredients and ingredient table pack and put my spirit. Can't tell me say that bay leaf where I put so you not to enter where I can carry one my rosemary join her as they do the same job. Anyway, now my one the chicken I been a turkey stock, come pour them inside, turn her, then cover and make with turn body enter the rice. Use hot water and cold water to wash the rice till the water don't become white. Or God don't wake up. People like say the scent don't push and come up for inside house.
Oh, you see the scent.
They see the wet scent. I talk and say na the food we can rat not the waka daytime. Is it that something they pursue or you they pursue something?
Huh? The scent.
But I'm not making stew now, I'm making jollof rice.
The scent,
because I'm making the base at the moment.
I can't help your mind to go sleep small.
Huh?
I help your mind sleep small.
Go sleep.
I'll come 5 minutes, I'll join you, yeah?
Let's see one I don't finish. Then this fried veg. Yeah, baby. Okay, we don't wash the rice finish. Make we pour her inside the stew base when we don't make. Now, turn her where me everything circulate inside. Make it they make peke like this. Add just small water. Make sure say the water dey the same level with the rice. I can't add another stew base join when I become up before. As the rice don't boil up now, turn her, then cover her with foil paper. Then turn body enter this turkey when they shine me, we change the color to brownish. Then come pour the orishi for inside this my prawn. Oh boy, now here my body sister come they tell me say, madam, have you forgotten we haven't taken coffee this early morning? Oh boy, now quickly rush go take her. Use and step down myself, made the eye for come down, then turn body back to the turkey, go come out and for inside the fire. See as the turkey they shine when my dear, I will never fall for you. Make we turn body enter the rice. This one after a whole lot of opening and closing. Now, you don't done. We got to turn our turnable. Not mind the way I take the turn. And of course, I they use one hand, they record, the other hand, they wall. They turn. I got to drop my phone and zolo the inside. Zolo everything come out. Then come put the last garnishing. Where go carry the jollof rice. They go where you serve, not even know at all. Then drop the phone. This one why they turn so not behind. You got to zolo everything from under. Come out. Make we go check Oga. Hotel attendant. You don't go hotel before, man.
I don't want to do my job.
Mas I can spread bed. You go chucking her inside.
See, if you want to have a straight bed, the person must be straightforward. No, they go to another person private.
So I'm not this straightforward.
No, because you don't go kitchen and you really want drag me follow you. I said go to the department. I got my department. And so house to the move.
Thank you. If you have to finish, you me sweep the rug. My machine now.
Sweep don't come at me.
Is it not
I just
machine?
talk everything you want to do.
Daddy? Wow. You just do. If you don't finish, use small iron to touch the bed, yeah? In case James they made for that.
Okay.
Okay, now make we turn body go see our final pot of rice and the garnishing and garnishable. Everything was looking succulent and succulentable. See, one thing about men, they no go like do am, but when you do and they go like her, they go praise you as if now you be the Jackie Chan. Let's do it together. Together we stand divided we fall. So make me self praise you for this one. Anyway, this one had to package and packageable, cover everything before we do the final cleaning and cleanable, because we're going to be making use of a lot of spray and sprayable. Made the full smell for commoting and commotable. I don't know whether now only me they do that thing though. Your cook finish, you go want make the smell of the food come on. How you want to come out, madam? Anyway, guys, I'm going to be seeing you guys in our next video once they arrive. Bye.